Now, have you ever thought about why managers have to study economics, or why economics is so important for managers, or how economics help managers to make decisions? So today we are going to discuss about why economics for managers. Now, economics is a very interesting subject. It is part and parcel of life. It starts the day the child is born and remains with him or her all throughout the life. An infant, a school going kid, graduate, postgraduate, professional, government, world entities, all across the globe have a core objective to utilize available resources in the best possible manner. That is economics. So, economics is very important to understand because for managers, it helps them to optimize firms' resources by applying concepts of economics in the business world and make better decisions for the growth and sustainability of the business. Now, who else can explain better about business sustainability than management guru Peter F. Drucker? So, according to the management guru Peter F. Drucker, the theory of the business comprises of the extent of the awareness about the potential customer's preference and belief, competitors' strategic move, their values and beliefs, technological advancements, awareness and acceptance amongst competitors and consumers, as well as the ability to analyze the firm's internal strengths and weaknesses. It is believed that validity of the theory of the business depends upon the extent to which the internal environment, mission, and the core competency of the firm matches with the current market reality. So here economics plays important role. It helps in terms of managerial economics. It helps to understand how a change in consumers' perception and belief can affect business of the firm and welfare of consumers. Firms can decide the production process and minimize cost by applying the concept of value of the firm and constraint optimization to maximize total revenue and minimize total cost. The firm can plan its products' promotion and pricing strategy by analyzing demand forecasting and elasticity of the product or service, as well as market power in terms of the competitors and the product or process differentiation. We can conclude that managerial economics helps in efficient business decision making to maximize profit, minimize cost, increase market share, diversify product or service segment, minimize risk, ease entry in foreign market with sustainable profit and risk mitigation, enables firms to analyze firms' internal strength and weakness of product and process, and helps to strategize its promotion and pricing of goods and services. So let's follow the business models practiced in the world and managerial economics. Thank you.